So let's say you want to just add a signature in each and every email which you write at the bottom of your email. Let's see how we can add that signature. So what you need to do is you just need to open your Gmail account and then just click on this icon which says settings. So just click on this icon, and then we need to click on this option which says see all settings. So just click on this button which says see all settings, and here you will be able to see so many settings, but what we need to click here is this tab which says general. So just click on general tab and then scroll down. So you just need to scroll down, and when you scroll down you will be able to see this signature section under general tab, right? So here under signature section you will be able to see this button which says create new. So I'm going to just click on this create new signature button, and then you can give the name to your signature. So for example, I'm going to just say code bind here and then click on create, which is going to create this code bind signature. Now in the signature, what you can do, you can write anything. So you have this editing options here. So for example, if you want to just add codebind.com, you can add that, and you can also format all these text which you write here. So what I did is I just copied a sample signature from the internet. So I'm going to just paste that signature from the internet. You can see it's going to look like this, right? If you want to add an image, you can add that also. So for example, if you want to add a link, you can add a link from here, or if you want to insert an image, you can just click on the insert image options. So I'm going to choose that image, and once this image is uploaded, I can just resize this image also. So I can just click on this image and I will just click on small, which is going to just show me the small version of this image, right? So you can add your signature, and once your signature is added, you're good to go. You can also select this option which says insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove the dash line that precedes it. So generally I just check this checkbox for my signature. Also under signature defaults, what you can do is you can select these options. So first option is for new emails use, we are going to use this signature which we have created. So you will be able to see a list of signatures which you have created, and you can choose the signature which you have created from here. Also on reply and forward use these signatures. So I can just select this also from here. Okay, so I'm going to add the signature to the new email, and I'm going to add the signature when I'm forwarding an email or replying to somebody. Okay, so once you are done with these signature settings, you can just go at the bottom, which is going to save your changes. And now let's say I'm going to just compose an email. So let's click on compose, and you can see in the signature I have this signature which I have created. So I can just write my normal email, hi, how are you, and then you can add the recipient and the subject, and when you send this email, the signature will be added at the end.